Are you looking for the best ketone breath meters? Here we have picked the top 5 for this time. Let's explore them. Number 1. Most popular. KETO-MOJO GK Plus Glucose and Ketone Monitor. The KETO-MOJO GK Plus Ketone Meter is really simple to use and set up. The starter kit includes all is needed to start measuring the ketone levels and track the ketosis state. 20 strips individually wrapped are included, and the additional ones are reasonably priced at $59.99 for the pack of 120, 60 blood sugar plus 60 blood ketone. The KETO-MOJO app will help store the results and use Bluetooth to automatically pair with the smartphone just by pressing the sync button. Date and time are automatically set. Number 2. Vivoquito Test Strips with App. The Vivoo urine test strips do not quantify ketones level, but are useful to get a global picture of health. When combined with the app, Vivoo will deliver global information about hydration, urinary tract infection, ketones level, and more. The Vivoo app combines various indicators to improve lifestyle and diet. The strips do quantify ketosis per se, but are helpful when taken in a global context. Vivoo urine test strips are not specific to ketones analyses and will not replace a true breath or blood ketone meter. Number 3. Precision Xtra Ketone Monitoring Meter. This Base Labs Precision Xtra kit comes with everything you need to monitor your ketones as well as your glucose levels. It's similar to the first kit on our list with a few differences. The Precision Xtra kit comes with a Precision Xtra blood glucose and ketone monitoring system meter, Dynarex alcohol wipes, and 28 Abbott Freestyle gauge lancets. Plus, you get a free I Love Keto sticker with your purchase, so you can proudly display your love for keto on the back of your car or wherever you see fit. Number 4. Keto BM Blood Ketone Meter Kit. Keto BM is Amazon's choice for a blood ketone meter. It features a complete monitoring system for the ketogenic diet, including a meter, 10 ketone strips, lancing device, and 10 lancets. The kit is reasonably priced and ships for free. We like that the company offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty for free replacements or repairs. It is one of the most accurate, user-friendly ketosis blood test meters on the market. There's no calibration or control solution required, and a tiny 0.5 millimoles per liter blood sample. Number 5. V2 Kitaskan Mini Breath Ketone Meter. The KetoSCAN Mini Breath Ketone Meter has been upgraded from its original version. It's mini and portable so that you can take it anywhere. This is ideal since you will need to test your ketone levels throughout the day, and a large-sized breathalyzer can be hard to carry around. To use the meter, blow into it for 3 seconds. Then you can have your results sent to your phone, where you can record and monitor your results weekly. You can add notes after each reading. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.